Hey guys, it's me Ari, back with another YouTube video. Hey guys, it's Ariana Jolie back with another YouTube video. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my, skincare routine. I haven't done a skincare routine in a long time. It's been probably almost a year, something like that. I don't even know, I lost count. But my skincare routine has changed over the past months, and I just wanted to update you my whole routine. As you can see, I have a face full of makeup on. I'm just going to show you guys how I take my makeup off and just go from there. If you guys are interested in watching that video, then just keep on watching. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also have your post notifications turned on. That way you're notified every single time that I upload. And yeah, let's just get on to this video. Let's not waste time. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is show off these lashes I'm wearing real quick. So my hairstylist had started a makeup line and she makes lipsticks and lashes so far, and I am wearing her number 3 lashes. They are very gorgeous. I just wanted to give her a quick shout out. Thank you, Leslie, for giving me these lashes to try out, and I completely support you. You guys can get her lashes if you're local at the East Mall. It's Beauty by Aria. Get yourself some, period. Period. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so obviously you gotta take off your makeup before you start your skincare routine. So here I am taking off my lashes. That's my first step in the process. Next up, I'm taking my Neutrogena makeup removing wipes, and I am just going to tie my hair up, make sure my hair is out of my face, out of my way, all that. I'm taking like this little scrunchy thing that, blocks water and all the other fluids and whatnot off of your hair. So I'm just going to wipe off all my makeup. It's pretty self-explanatory. Just wipe all your makeup off until you feel like your face is clean. Not necessarily clean because you didn't wash your face yet, but you know what I mean. Just make sure you get down your neck and all the places that you applied makeup. Alright, so here's the fun part. So a company called Duvolle sent me a Spin Care brush cleansing system, and they want me to try out their, spin brush. So they have 3 different removable cleanser parts. I don't even know how to explain, but they have an exfoliator one, they have a pumice stone, I don't know how to pronounce that, pumice, and then they have a regular cleansing one. I'm going to take the cleansing one just to clean my face, and I'm taking my Bioré soap, and I'm just going to turn on the Radiance Spin Care system, and I'm just going to wash away my face, make sure it gets nice and sudsy. That's how you know it's cleaning your face. Once it gets soapy and stuff, as you can see right now, it's doing wonders for your skin when it does that. So yes, I'm going to go ahead and do that until I feel like my skin is clean, and I'm just going to wash it all off using some lukewarm water. I am just admiring my face right now because just, honey, like I went from all that makeup on my face to this, to bare skin, to baby face Ari, and I'm just feeling myself, so yeah. Alright, so right here you see me switching from the cleansing brush to the exfoliating brush. So I am going to take my So Fresh So Clean Apricot scrub, and I'm just going to apply that to the Spin Care system, and I'm just going to exfoliate my skin because every time I do my makeup, I feel like I need to exfoliate my skin because sometimes foundation tends to rest in your pores, and that's not good. That just causes breakouts, and overall it's just not good for your skin. You just need to get that all out, dig underneath your skin and all that, and just make sure everything is just off your skin. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so just like before, I'm going to rinse that off with some lukewarm water and move on to the next step. Alright, so on to the next step. I'm going to be masking my face with the Pores Be Pure Mud Mask, and this is the strawberry one. And I'm just going to be applying this, subtly to my face. And, I don't know if you guys have masked your face before, but you just simply apply it to your face until you look like a ghost and wait for 10 minutes and then wash it off, and your face just feels very, 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 very refreshed. And here I am giving you guys the gestures that you gotta wait for 10 minutes and come right back and wash it off. Alright, so right here I'm just gonna wash off my mask, and as you can see, it just really made my skin look very glowy and very moisturized looking, and that's why I mask. Like, I do it at least 3 times a week. It's very good for your skin. It really benefits you at the end of the day. Next up, I'm taking the Banish oil, and this is just gonna add some extra moisture to my face. You know, my skin tends to get very dry at night, and I need some type of thing that's gonna, you know, make my skin refreshed and moisturized. And, you know, I'm just adding that to my forehead, my cheeks, my chin, basically my whole entire face. And then after that, I'm taking the Banish elixir oil, and this has some vitamin C in it to give you some enrichment. I don't know how to explain, but you get me, you get me. To top it all off, I'm going to apply my Blistex, and this is just going to, you know, take care of my whole entire skincare routine. This just finishes it all off, and I am basically done. Alright guys, so this is my completed skincare routine. I hope you guys like this video. Be sure to check out Duvolle. They have an amazing skincare brush. The one that obviously I was using in this video, it's amazing. It really deep cleansed my skin, and my skin feels very fresh and I feel awake even though I'm going to sleep. It's like my nighttime routine basically. My skin just feels fresh and awake, and honestly, like, if I was just using my regular hands to wash my face, it wouldn't feel as good. So it just, like, honestly, like, I use both the cleansing brush and the exfoliating brush, and they just both really did wonders for my skin. Obviously you can't feel it, but my skin feels honestly amazing. All my makeup is off. Yes, this is my completed skincare routine, guys. If you want to save yourself money, if you're interested in buying the skincare system, make sure you use the code hibiscus70, and that saves you a good chunk of money. That saves you 70% off of the whole entire spin brush. That is a lot of money. So that's going to bring the total down to $28.50 when the original total is $95. So that is a good deal. But yeah, again, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to have 2,100 subscribers. I just hit 2,000 not too long ago. That is a huge milestone, so thank you guys so much for that. I really do appreciate it. That is a big milestone, guys. I can't believe I even hit that much. Like, that's a lot of people watching my videos, like, you know what I'm saying? So leave a comment down below what you thought of this video. Did you like it? Did you hate it? I don't care. Leave some suggestions for some future videos. I'll be sure to make some videos regarding those suggestions. That is all I have to say. Have a blessed day, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Yo, also make sure you check out Leslie's lashes. These are my hairstylist lashes, and they are bomb. These are in the style 3, and if you're local, just go to the East Mall and you can pick them up there. They are very high quality, and I really do recommend them. So yes, thank you, Leslie, for that. And again, yes, that's all I have to say. Bye. I cannot hardly move my mouth. Like, what the actual freak?